All right. Here's what to do when you run out of plug-in slots, but you're still not satisfied with that sound. So here I have this piano here, right? And that's from the repository. I'm not satisfied with how it sounds. So basically, I will go here to output, submix, and I will route it to one of the 8 submixes I have. Okay? So then I would go to that submix, and then I would assign another plugin to it. So that's 5. So that would be like a total of 8 different plugins that you can have on that program. You know what I mean? So that's how you do with programs. You can also do the same technique with anything else. So even individual snares, kicks, whatever else like that. You would just have to use the individual pads. All right, guys. I hope that tip is useful. Go to psychokid.com. Support your boy. Love y'all very much. Peace.